Now that you've completed the home inspection process, negotiated repairs with the sellers, and are moving forward with your home purchase, let's dive into another critical step in the home buying process, the appraisal. If we haven't met yet, I'm Kara McLaney, Realtor and host of the Simplified Home Buyer's Guide. I guide, educate, and support first time home buyers, helping them navigate common challenges to achieve the ultimate goal of home ownership. So, what exactly is an appraisal? Well, think of it as a professional assessment of your future home's value. It is conducted by a licensed appraiser who evaluates various factors to determine a fair market value for the property. Now, why is this important for you as a buyer? Well, the appraisal plays a key role in your mortgage approval process. Lenders want to ensure that the property you're buying is worth the amount that they're lending you. This helps protect both you and the lender from overpaying for the home. But did you know that even before you make an offer, your agent can help you get a sense of whether the property will appraise? They will conduct a comparative market analysis, also known as a CMA, which compares the property to similar homes that have recently sold in the area. This can give you a ballpark estimate of the home's value and help you make an informed decision before submitting an offer. During the appraisal, the appraiser will conduct a thorough inspection of the property, both inside and out. They'll take note of the home's condition, size, features, and any recent renovations or improvements. Once the appraisal is complete, the appraiser will provide a detailed report outlining their findings and the determined value of the home. This report is then sent to your lender for review. Now, what happens if the appraisal comes in lower than the agreed upon purchase price? Your lender will only be willing to finance up to the appraised value of the home, which could mean you'll need to come up with the difference in cash or renegotiate the purchase price with the seller. This is where having a skilled real estate agent on your side becomes invaluable. They will step in to handle the negotiations with the seller, working to find a solution that works for both parties and ensures you are not overpaying for the property. If the buyer and seller are unable to reach a mutual agreement on the purchase price, or if the buyer is unwilling or unable to cover the difference between the appraised value and the agreed upon purchase price, the buyer may choose to terminate the contract. In this case, the buyer may be entitled to a refund of their earnest money deposit depending on the terms of the purchase agreement. Remember, as a buyer, it's essential to understand the implications of the appraisal and be prepared for any potential outcomes. Need expert guidance through your home buying journey? Contact me with the link below and I will personally connect you with one of my trusted real estate partners in your desired location. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to the Simplified Home Buyer's Guide channel for more valuable tips and insights to guide you through every step of the home buying process.